Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Check your internet and verify the mail server is reachable with ping or a browser. This rules out network issues. Next, open Outlook and read the exact error so you know whether it's Exchange, IMAP, or POP. This changes the steps you'll take. Then collect account details, incoming/outgoing server names, port numbers, SSL/TLS requirements, and whether your password or admin policies changed. Once done, you're ready to adjust settings directly. You now modify the account and connection. Go to File, Account Settings, then change the incoming/outgoing server, ports, and encryption to the values you gathered. Save and test. If it still fails, disable VPN, Firewall, or antivirus briefly to see if they're blocking the connection. Many corporate tools intercept mail traffic. If problems persist, make a new Outlook profile and set the account there. This proves whether the original profile is corrupted or the server settings are incorrect. To finish, repair your Office installation and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to auto-fix common client issues, then test again. Also check server-side factors. Verify mailbox size limits, password expiry, and that you can access mail via webmail or ActiveSync. This isolates client versus server faults. If it still fails, enable logging, save the error timestamps and diagnostic logs, and contact your admin or ISB with those details. One key tip: recreate the issue while logging is on so you have exact evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.